Buddies Season 2 and Episode 4. Today, we have with us a very special guest from Nair Medical College, Mumbai, a dark artist and Dr. Pawan Perke. Pawan, how are you?
Hi, I'm great. What about you?
I'm good too. So, shall we head to our session?
Yes.
Yes. So, Pawan, this is the first time you are here on my show. So, please introduce yourself to our viewers.
I am like Pawan Perke, like medical student who turned artist.
Oh,
That's it.
all right, Pawan. So, second question for you is you're such an amazing artist. I've seen all your pages and all. So, when did you start all this painting and thing?
Painting since my childhood, it has been hobby. Since I have a collection of paintings since my first standard.
So, why the darker hues? It's the psychology behind it. Some people use darker shades more. Some people use lighter shades.
Just to emphasize the bright colors mostly attract people, and if I just to make people attractive
Okay.
and people get to know what I want to say.
Okay. So darker color emphasizes and they're bright, so you use them the most. Yeah. So what kind of art you like the most? Like there are different kinds in paintings as well.
And personally, I feel abstract painting many people can do because it does require most of the creative thinking and to put your thoughts into plain blank paper, and people will understand something that your thoughts and creativity.
Yeah. So you love abstract.
Yes, I love abstract.
Yeah. We would like to know what kind of brushes and what kind of colors you use and what is the material you draw it on.
Actually, color brushes, it doesn't matter when you paint because I use whatever I get in my hand, I just try to use that. Mostly zero size brushes I love the most. अभी तो मेरे पास कुछ है नहीं दिखाने को, मतलब सब दिख रहा है ना, जो मुझे अच्छा लगता है मैं वो बना देता हूँ. ब्रशेस से कोई कंपनी कुछ नहीं है. Even I use makeup brushes sometimes because they have I have stolen from my sister. They are better than the brushes which is present in the market.
Yeah, they're more smoother and its
Smoother.
texture is.
Like for the background, I use makeup brushes.
Okay. So you love using makeup brushes stolen from your sister. Okay. So other than painting, what do you like to do in your free time?
Cooking. I love cooking.
Yeah, you love cooking. What do you cook?
I cook everything. Like Maharashtrian, I can cook all Maharashtrian dishes. Yeah, I love baking as well. Like South, I can cook all Indian food.
Whoa. So that one word which describes all medical life.
I like medical college. I like posting.
Okay, you like postings.
And in lockdown, I have just missed my surgery postings mostly.
Ooh, that is very sad. Surgery postings are fun.
Yes.
Okay, so if not painting, then what?
Anything then what? Doctor.
Oh, doctor. So you wanted to become a doctor, पहले से, huh?
Friends, I know just some months before I had been a breakup with my ex-friend. So since childhood no one was with stick to me. सब चले जाते हैं. Actually वो नहीं छोड़ के चले जाते, मैं ही छोड़ के चले जाता हूँ.
Why so?
कंपनी पसंद आती है, ज्यादा दिन तक नहीं रहता.
अच्छा, you're like an introvert person.
वैसे मतलब अभी सोशल मीडिया में नहीं हूँ, बट ऐसे नॉर्मल लाइफ में इंट्रोवर्ट.
Normal life में introvert. Okay. I'll just take one word, and you have to say another word which strikes in your mind first. Okay? जैसे अगर मैंने बोला स्टडी, तो आपके मन में क्या आता है फर्स्ट? दैट यू हैव टू टेल. ऐसे मैं 6 वर्ड्स बोलूंगी. You have to be quick, okay? Okay. First is Nanded.
Nanded. Again, my home.
Okay. Pamac.
Actually, drugs related to hypertension. Actually, they were
Hypertension.
like mostly I remember. I love the drugs because I made a mnemonic on that, and I remember it even today.
Okay. Specifically, you mentioned hypertension. So, what was the mnemonic? Do you
I
remember?
forgot now.
Okay.
But I remember valsartan, some angiotensin converting enzymes.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Third one is Instagram.
Instagram is my new friend.
Oh. Painting.
Painting. My life.
Wow. And this show.
This Gauri, which has been like made me little extrovert, like to meet and interact with people.
Oh, nice. Okay, so let's head towards our question again. So next question for you is, in this pandemic, you raised fund with your skill, just painting. So would you like to share some words about it?
Actually, that painting which is still with me, actually nobody has the bidding done by the people with just a few money. So my mother herself has bought painting from myself. So I can say that. So I do not want to sell that painting just for 2,000 rupees. So the painting worth for me is so much. Like, it's not just 2,000. So instead, I have donated my money funds for some trans activists and give it a bit of money.
Yeah. Okay, so that's a great help. Even a small help means a lot when you do it with your total heart.
I'm not self-dependent right now, but I've just given little money from my parents.
Yeah. So okay. So how do you manage medical study and your passion?
हो जाता है.
हाँ, कैसे हो जाता है?
I have actually whenever I love to do paintings, I do. Like I even do not invest time in studies. Like I focus on painting. That's it. And when I think there exams has come and I have to focus on my career, then I will study. Now actually I've been thinking that I should skip Instagram and now focus on my final year and my PG. Like that I wanted to skip now.
Yeah. Okay.
But if I wanted to do painting, doodling, I will do that.
Okay, so it's like a stress buster for you. Stress se bahar. So who's your favorite artist?
Artist?
Yeah. Okay.
There is one artist which I follow on Instagram, Carla. She does realistic paintings and I love her a lot.
Okay. So you love her paintings, and do you try to mimic them or sometimes use some skills of her in yours?
I just like she does realistic paintings of humans, which I never preferred because I think doing abstract, which I can if I do something, people must gain from me. If I will be doing your portrait, people will not get anything. Now, it's only my skills will improve and you will be happy. But for that, I think instead of doing that, I prefer doing abstract paintings and animal paintings because I think they deserve more than us.
Okay, so last question for you is a piece of advice for your budding buddies.
Advice for speak.
No, advice for budding buddies who are watching this and who wants something like you, or they want to do paintings or manage this whole thing.
Painting, कुछ भी करो लाइफ में, but focus रहना चाहिए कोई भी. Whenever you do something, we must be focused and creative in doing whatever we like. Even Even if a teacher cannot even if teacher says that if I wanted to become a doctor, so he will not contribute his teaching skills into his students. So he must be happy with whatever he does. So we
Yeah.
must be happy doing the things which we like and which we have. Some people are privileged and some people aren't. So people who aren't privileged, they must not think that we do not have some funds and data. So they must not be sad, because whatever they have, they must be happy, and they must create a output, some small
Something
output.
good out of. Yeah, true. True. So, please tell our viewers about your page and what is the username so that they can follow you on Instagram.
My username is Perke _PERKE-PAWAN.
Okay, so Pawan is having so many good paintings and photo of himself on his page. So go, guys, watch it, and also tell Pawan if you like it. Also, do subscribe and like to my channel, and for more content, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.
अभी मैंने मैनेज नहीं किया सबको बाहर निकालना दिखाना तो था।
या जरूर, सब लोग देखना चाहेंगे आपका पेंटिंग।
ये मीरा है, मीरा। इसका मुझे कैनवास पेपर पे बनाना है, बड़ा अच्छा एक एब्स्ट्रैक्ट बनाना है। एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मीरा।
एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मीरा।
वैसे अभी बहुत सारे आइडियाज है, पर अभी कैनवास अवेलेबल नहीं है ना मार्केट में, लॉकडाउन की वजह से।
या
मैंने कलेक्ट तो नहीं कर दिया, अच्छे नहीं है कुछ।
I want to see that the picture behind you, the painting behind you, that one.
ये तो इंस्टाग्राम पे देखे सारे।
हाँ, मुझे एक्चुअल में देखना था ये कैसा पेंटिंग है। सुपर कूल, ओह माय गॉड। ओह,
सब देखा है तुमने?
हाँ, ये मैंने देखा है। हाँ, ये भी देखा है मैंने। ओह,
जो देखा नहीं वो दिखाता।
श्योर।
ये गणेश है।
ओह, that is superb, man.
और ये देखा गणेश का?
नहीं, ये वाला नहीं देखा मैंने। ओह,
गुलाब।
वाह, so good, yeah, so good.
थैंक यू। काफी बोर हुआ होगा नहीं लाइव सेशन?
No. It was great. ये मजा आता है ऐसे कुछ देखने में। नॉर्मल चीजें तो
बनाने में एक स्मॉल सिंपल आइडिया था, लाइक a girl on Instagram I saw a girl was bathing in sea. With that I just made this in just about some 5 to 10 minutes. I made this painting.
Whoa, that's great.
In most of my paintings there is a woman in solidarity in groups, so just to showcase the power.
Whoa,